Hello guys, this is Jamal with you from Absolve giving tips to Salesforce. Today we gonna talk about the navigation items for let's say Absolve app. So here we always gonna have something like tabs, and that will guide us to our objects in our system. So let's say we have leads, contacts, accounts, opportunities, forecasts, proposals, and we want to change, let's say, the order of these tabs, or we need to remove something and add a new thing. So we're gonna take the three cases today, and to show you how we can do that. So as we can see, forecasts and proposals. Let's say we need to uh, navigate that up to the forecasts, and then we just drag and drop and click save. So the proposals was under the forecasts. Let's say that's to the left now. So let's click save and see what happened. Okay, so now the proposals is the left to the forecasts. Okay, now let's try to delete something. Let's delete projects or time entry. Let's delete time entry. We're gonna delete that and click save. Okay, now time entry is not here. It was beside the projects, but now it's not here. Now let's re-add time entry. Now to click on all and search for time entry. So we can see that we have many tabs here created to be in the nav items. And let's add this to the navigation. Okay, then it will add it in at the end of the list. We can just drag and drop and put it before or after the projects, as we do the time entry after project. So we can put it here, then save, and we can see that's here again on our navigation items. And yeah, a quick note here that this app named AppSolve, and you know that we're gonna have many apps here, and each app will have its own ordering of these tabs, or let's say navigation items, and we can choose that. Like we can edit that from here, and we can edit it from the app settings. Thanks for watching. Jamal was with you from AppSolve. Subscribe for more content.